In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw USDT from Binance to your bank account. This is a crucial skill for anyone who trades cryptocurrency and wants to convert their digital assets into fiat currency for everyday use. To make this process as smooth and straightforward as possible, I'll walk you through each step, providing some helpful tips along the way. To kick things off, you'll want to log into your Binance account. If you're new to the platform, you'll first need to create an account. Make sure to enter all your details correctly to ensure a smooth sign-up or login process. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the upper right corner of the main dashboard to find the Wallet section. Click on it, and then select Fiat and Spot, which will give you access to your various cryptocurrency holdings. In this section, locate USDT in your wallet. If you're overwhelmed by the list of cryptocurrencies, you can quickly find USDT by using the search bar. Once you've found USDT, you'll see a withdraw button next to it. Click on that button, which will bring up a new form where you'll input the necessary details for the withdrawal process. Now that you've reached the withdrawal page, it's time to select the network. Binance supports several networks for USDT, but the ERC20 network is commonly used. However, feel free to choose a network that best suits your needs in terms of fees and compatibility with your bank. It's always wise to double-check the current fee structure as network fees can fluctuate. With the network selected, proceed to enter your bank account details. This is a crucial step, so take your time to ensure all information is accurate and complete. You'll typically need to provide your bank's SWIFT code or IBAN number, along with your account number. Depending on your country's banking requirements, you may need to include additional information. Double-check everything to prevent unnecessary delays or errors during the transfer. Now, specify the amount of USDT you wish to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal limits and the fees that may apply. After confirming the amount, carefully review all the details. This is your final opportunity to catch any errors before moving forward. Once you're confident everything is correct, go ahead and click the Submit or Confirm button. You may need to verify your transaction by receiving a code via email or SMS. Complete these verification steps promptly to avoid any timeout issues. And there you have it. Your USDT withdrawal is now in process. Depending on processing times, it should take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days for the funds to appear in your bank account. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Remember to always keep your account details secure and happy trading.